Hello guys, welcome to PyPub Projects. Today we'll learn a wonderful project, currency conversion in Python. So let's start. This project will be a complete GUI based project. So first have a look on our GUI. So you have to enter amount, select from currency into currency, and by clicking convert button, the converted amount will be displayed in this text box. Let's see one demo of it. Here amount is entered as 10, currency from currency is USD, US dollar, and two currencies INR, Indian rupees. And when I will click convert, the converted amount will be this much. So make sure you have active internet connection. This will be accurate data according to the internet. So please ensure you have active internet connection while running this project, and you can select any currency. You have to just add in list, so you can convert in any currency according to your requirement. Now let's have a look of this code. Now what currency we have used here? So here INR, USD, and total 6 currency we have used in this particular project. So for adding more currency, you have to add their abbreviations in this list. You have to just append that abbreviations in list, and automatic their conversion ratio will be computed and added in your project or your code. Now this is the currency conversion function. So let's have a look. First line is from forex python.converter import currency rates. So this is the Python library. Forex stands for foreign exchange. So this library will fetch the data from internet, and the conversion ratio of various currencies will be present in this particular library. So make sure you have active internet connection while running this project. Otherwise your data may not be accurate as current rate. So firstly you have to import this library. Then these are two variables, from currency and to currency. We have to fetch that value what user have selected. So by .get method we can select it, and if amount 1, that means if amount is empty, then you have to show an error info. Otherwise if from currency or to currency is not selected, so you have to show error message that currency is not selected. And if this both are selected, if this all are present, then we have to convert it. So new amount equal to convert function. It will take 3 arguments. First is from currency, that means from which currency. Second is to currency, and third is argument, that is a value in float. We will get this value amount one field dot get in a string format. So we have to convert in float and pass as an argument to this function, and it will return a converted amount. So we will insert that amount in our field. For GUI, let's see the code. One function was not present in presentation. This is clear all function. So we have one clear all button, and it will clear all the entries. Amount 1 field dot delete, that will clear the entry entered by user, that is amount entered by user or the system or the code. Now this particular section of GUI is label section. So it is used for printing any particular text in your GUI. So amount, from currency, to currency, and converted amount, these are the particular texts that are printed in our GUI. This is option menu. So as you all have seen the GUI, we have used a drop down menu for selecting the currency. So on clicking that, a list of options will be shown to you for selection. So option menu will create a drop down menu for you. It will take the argument, this currency code, that is the list. So it will make a separate value for each value in a list. These are used for creating an entry, that is a text box in GUI. And these are the buttons. So we have two buttons, that is convert button and second is clear all button. So what this button will do, this command attribute, this command equal to function, this command equal to real time currency conversion, this is our function. So on clicking this button, this particular function will be called, and on clicking this clear button, clear all button, this particular function clear all will be called, and according to this our GUI will work. So I hope you understood the code. Now let's have a look at the demo of this project. So for this project we have made a Python library for easily implementation of this project. So first import that library, pip install PyPower projects and enter, and after that open your Python bash, and here write from PyPower projects import currency and enter. Wow, a wonderful GUI is presented. So we have to enter amount. For example, let's say 10, and from currency, so Canadian dollar, CAD stands for Canadian dollar, and two currencies INR, and convert. So the converted amount will be displayed in this text box. So current Canadian dollar is nearly 54.49 INR, so you can change accordingly. Now let's say 100 or let's say 1000 INR, and let's convert it into USD and convert. So 1000 INR is nearly equal to 13 USD. So accordingly you can use currency converter. So I hope you enjoy this project and learn from it. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy learning.